the second half.
Well, it seems like the perfect situation for fortune favouring the brave. 45 minutes does not give enough risk-taking to get this match turned around. It's very doable.
He's got away. He's away. Oh, it's opened up nicely. It's one!
Dennis Suarez.
Driving on now. What can they conjure from here? If they might, they just couldn't get into an attacking area. Now it's Benzema. And he's away. Benzema striding forward, facing goal. He wasn't very far from making something happen by himself. Lovely to see. And now the breakaway.
Farfan simply had to make that count, and he did it with some authority too. Wonderful.
Dennis Suarez. The defence can get it clear.
Vermaelen goes looking.
Going through. Benzema. Chance! That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Borja Mayoral. He's got away, and the shot! There's a goal!
Well, it certainly livened things up a bit, and that next goal now is absolutely crucial. That's always a great sight, you know, on a football pitch. Nimble-footed, showed great balance and a really cool head to finish. And that kind of dribbling is really smart.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Look, get your seatbelts on because this is showing all the signs of another roller coaster ride.
It's Benzema!
Paris Saint-Germain merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
He's left his man. It's got through and shots on. Oh, great! He'll hammer it in! Goal at his mercy, and somehow he's missed it.
Well, we could be headed for a scenario in which next goal is the winner. That chance could have been it too.
He's got away. Dennis Suarez! There's a goal! And the comeback is complete.
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
I think this team shows great willpower and a wonderful never-say-die attitude. No other outfit can match them. They just keep going. Superb. And it's fantastic.
Well, they could break here. Going through. And the finish! Plays it back. Borja Mayoral, and he scores! The whistle has gone, and it is all over. Well, that bounce-back ability is something superbly to come from behind, shrugging off setbacks.